Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites. Make sure the device has power, plug in if under 10%, and save any open work. Once done, close background apps to prevent interruptions. Now, locate the physical power or menu button and any dedicated standby icon. Those are your control points. Press and hold for a short, defined time, usually 1 to 3 seconds, then watch for the standby prompt. If a confirmation appears, choose standby rather than shutdown. You continue by executing the actual standby sequence. Use the short press if the manual specifies it, versus a long press which may force shutdown. When the menu appears, highlight and select standby or sleep. Use directional keys or touchscreen input. Make sure to verify peripheral signals. The screen dims, LEDs change color or blink, and fans slow. These confirm transition. If network wake is needed, enable wake on LAN or similar before initiating standby, so remote access remains possible. You finish by confirming the device entered standby. Check that power draw dropped, LEDs indicate sleep, and the display is off or dimmed. Once satisfied, test waking the device. Press the same button briefly to confirm a quick resume. If it fails to enter standby, reboot and try again. If problems persist, update firmware or device drivers, check BIOS/UEFI power settings, and disconnect peripherals that prevent sleep. As a last resort, consult logs for errors. Those clues pinpoint what's blocking standby.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.